Hey guys, well, got lucky. It's Thursday afternoon. We cut this Tuesday afternoon, and we're fixing to put the rake to her and see how many bales we can put on a wagon here in a minute as soon as I get done raking. So, me and the old 3Ks hooked up to the big V rake here. Coming in, I didn't pay attention. Had my mind on what wagon we was going to use and whatnot, and I forgot how high this thing stuck up. I don't know if you can tell that big old dead branch back there. Man, I hooked that thing and it started cracking and popping, and I ducked. I thought, good night living, the whole top of this tree is fixing to fall on me or something. But anyway, we're gonna do some raking. I'll see y'all here in a bit. Gonna be some honker windrows down here, boy. And we're rolling. It's making a little better windrow than I thought it was gonna make. Ah, crap. Then I'm worried about a video, not paying attention where I'm driving. Missed that bunch. I like this rake. It's just gonna take me a minute to get used to it. Might have an opportunity to buy it, maybe, I don't know. On big stretches of ground and good hay, it'd be worth having. Oh, we'll just have to see. I'm gonna ride y'all along here with me for a little bit. Mrs. Day is Thursday afternoon. She's gonna help me bale this. Well, I think my brother, he's over playing around on the M2. I think he's gonna help me too. I told him, I was like, man, I about got to bale it this afternoon, because I have to have her at the airport tomorrow like 6:30, so I really won't have the opportunity to do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow afternoon they're screaming for rain now, so I'm kind of danged if I do, danged if I don't, but I'm pretty happy that it's ready to go, you know what I mean? I'll be pretty satisfied with it. It dried down pretty good. Making a honker windrow, boy, I'm telling you. Goes Brodeen. Yeah, man. Hopefully I'll get to show y'all a little baling tonight. Mrs. like I said, she's gonna pull the baler. Me and bro ride the wagon. But I'll see y'all here in a second. Yeah, man. We're rolling. Shoot. Said whatever this thing gets, I'll be tickled to death. Like I say, this is just for our goats, so this cutting is anyway. So yeah, I'm tickled to death to have this. Making pretty decent windrows. Oh, I'm gonna make a turn. I'll see y'all here in a bit. Well, had a blooper yesterday evening. I left my phone up on a trailer up there to the other house up there, and I didn't get any video, but that was out of that front field we got done yesterday evening. Time we got down in here, the sun had gone down over them trees right over there, and these bottoms, man, the dew starts falling on it, and these bales got a little heavy. Started what we call heavy. They had a little dew already on them, and that's no good, so we called it, knocked it out. Figure we come back this morning. I think it's about 11ish or a little after here on a Friday. Got my star driver up there. She's gonna help me get these knocked out, and then I gotta get her to the airport because she's leaving for 10 days. So I'm gonna jump up on here, probably knock this wagon out when we switch over to the other wagon. Fresh start, I'll be able to get you a little more video. We got about maybe 25, 30 so more we can put on here. I'll see y'all here in a bit. Well, finished that one off. I think it's got like 108 on it or something like that. I don't know. Just got hooked up to this empty. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and some 5 to go. So I'll bring y'all in once we get moving a little bit. Not the worst looking bales, but they ain't beautiful either. But I didn't know making good hay was a beauty contest, so I'm all right with it. Spitting out pretty good though. Pretty pleased with it. Now she just hit in this windrow, watch. They'll start popping out here pretty good. Old tractor, boom. Sees a hitting. These are a little bit on the heavy side still. I got them probably 65, 70-ish pounds. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna stack. I'll see y'all in a bit. We're on the downhill slide now. Got these 2 little bitty windrows right here to knock out. Like 2 or 3 little pieces down there to get, and 1 over there. We'll be done, Jack. Got this wagon full. Well, not full, but you know what I mean. Knock these probably, I don't know what little bit's there, and what little bit that's there, 5, 6, 7 more bales, something like that. I ain't got a total for nobody yet, so I don't know. But pretty pleased with it. It's good looking hay. Trying to get done. Here comes that rain. Now that it's baled, I'm all right, you know what I mean? I ain't got but like a ½ mile run, take it down, put it in the barn till I can get it put in our loft, so I'm good. But we'll get these couple here knocked out, and I'll see y'all here in a bit. No, and that's about it. We just unhooked. Got again, I ain't got no count. Have no idea how many it is. We got that wagon right there, and then I got that one hooked up to the 3000. I think we beat the rain. There's well over 100. I'd say, I'm gonna guess, I don't know, 70, 175, maybe 170, somewhere in there. Anyway, but y'all, that's it. She's gonna park it. We're gonna hook this one up. I'm gonna take them down there and get them put in the barn. And that'll do it for this one. Guys, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.